Students, now you are going to learn sequences. Sequences means a particular order in which related things follow each other. In particular things in order, in the sense, sometimes we used addition for between the two terms. Sometimes we use multiplication, sometimes division or some other square number. Some of the rules, that is called the order, particular order, in which related things follow each other. What rules we have followed in the between first to do the same things we have to follow for the continuous number. This is called a sequence. So sequence means a particular order in which related things follow each other. For students, now we are going to learn exercise 2.4, the first problem. Find the next three terms of the following sequences. For this is for next term, you have the formula for the next exercise. Now the normally what you have followed in the lower classes, the same method you have to follow. The first problem 8, 24, 72, etc. Second problem 5, 1, minus 3, etc. Third one 1 by 4, 2 by 9 and 3 by 16, etc. For we have to write the next three terms. The first problem 8, 24, 72, etc. First you have to find how you get the second number. Comparing these two, how you get the second number. For addition is not suitable, subtraction also not suitable, square also not suitable. For all the mathematical way you will have to use. For it is multiple by 3. So 8 3s are 24. Then 24 into 3, 72. 72 into 3, 2 3s are 6. 7 3s are 21. For then next number multiple by 3, you get 648. Then 648 multiple by 3, you get 1944. So we want to find the next three terms only. So you have to stop this. For the next three terms 216, 648, 1944. The second one 5, 1, minus 3, etc. That is 5 and 1. What is the difference? It is a minus 4. 4 is reduced. So minus 4. So you have to apply the same way, same order we have to follow. That is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 value is minus 3. Next, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. We have to add these two. That is, now these two we have to add, we get a minus 15. Same sign, so you add and use the same sign. Next, third one 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16. So here you have a numerator and denominator. So that is, first you have to find for numerator. For it is one number is added. For here to here one number is added. For next we have to find the next one. The denominator is 4, 9. So how much is increased? 5. So 9 and 16 how much is increased? Not the same, 5. So you have to check with some of the order. That is, for it is a odd number. So next to odd number 5 after next odd number is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 7 after next odd number is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Next odd number is 11. 25 plus 11 is 36. 36 plus 13 is 49. The same way you have to write for up to 3 is there. One more number have to add in the numerator, that is 4, 5, 6. So numerator add by 1. Denominator add by the odd number starting from 5. Now the second problem, find the first four terms of the sequence whose nth term are given by. That is an equal to n cube minus 2. Second one an equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1, n into n plus 1. That is, for a third one an equal to 2n square minus 6. Listen, the second one how to read? An equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1, n into n plus 1. The first problem an equal to n cube minus 2. First you have to substitute n equal to 1. For instead of n you have to substitute a1 equal to 1 cube minus 2. 1 cube value 1. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Then you have to substitute n equal to 2. That is a2 equal to 2 cube minus 2. That is 8 minus 2. That is equal to 6. Then n equal to 3. a3 equal to 3 cube minus 2. That is 27 minus 2. 3 cube value 27 minus 2. That is equal to 25. N equal to 4, that is a4 equal to 4 cube minus 2, that is 64 minus 2, that is equal to 62. So minus 1, 6, 25, 62, etc. We want to find the four terms only. So you have to substitute the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you need a 6, up to 6 you have to substitute. Now the second problem, an equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1, n into n plus 1. For we have to substitute the n values 1, 2, 3, 4 only. We need only 4 terms. So you have to substitute a1, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, then 1 into 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 whole square 1 into 2. So that is 2 minus 1 whole square value, it's become a plus 1. So it is 2. So next minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into, for n value is 2. Here 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube 2 into 3. So minus, it is a minus 1. 2 3s are 6. So minus. So n equal to 3. Substitute the values 3. Yeah, instead of n you have to substitute 3. So then after simplifying you get minus 1 whole power 4, 3 into 4. So minus 1 whole power 4 is 1. In a 1 power anything is 1. So it is power is even plus 1, power is odd minus 1. 3 4s are 12. N equal to 4, minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1, 4 into 4 plus 1, minus 1 whole power 4, 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20, minus 1 power odd, so it is minus 1, so that is minus 20. So the 4 terms are 2, minus 6, 12, minus 20, etc. The third problem, an equal to 2n square minus 6. Here also the same way you have to substitute the values. 2 into 1 square minus 6, that is 2 into minus 6, that is minus 4. For n value is 2, so 2 square value 4, then n value is 3. So you have to simplify the same way you have to simplify. You get the answer minus 4, 2, 12, 26. Now third question, find the nth term of the following sequences, that is 2, 5, 10, 17, etc. Second question, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, etc. 3, 8, 13, 18. So in these three problems, first two problem I am going to teach to you. Third one, try yourself. We want to find the nth term. For in the previous question, nth term is given. We found first 4 terms. Here first 4 terms are given. We want to find the nth term. Like this we want to find. The third first problem, 2, 5, 10, 17, etc. For a 2 is written as it is 1 square plus 1, 5 is written as 2 square plus 1, 10 is written as 3 square plus 1, 17 is written as 4 square plus 1, etc. Suppose you have to make it as another form also possible, you have to write. So now it is for 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So it is all the one in a same continuous order, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So it is, the 1 is constantly given. So constantly we found that is 1, 1, 1, 1. So nth term is, for it is changing 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So n square plus 1. For some other variable also you need, you have to use. For n means variable, any other terms also possible to use. So that is n square plus 1. The second one, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, etc. For it is numerator and denominator both have to consider. So that is we need 0. So 1 minus 1 by 1. It is 1, how you get? 2 minus 1 by 2. It is here 3 minus 1 by 3, etc. Now for not have any changes in the denominator, the same way, same thing. So here, yeah, 1, 2, 3, etc. So that is n. For it is fixed 1, 1, 1. So n minus 1. For here also the same. 1, 2, 3. Fixed in the sense it is going to increase by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So denominator also 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So n minus 1 by n. Now fourth problem, find the indicator terms of the sequence whose nth term are given by. That is an equal to 5n by n plus 2. We want to find a6 and a13. Second question, an equal to minus of n square minus 4. We want to find a4 and a11. First you write an equal to 5n by n plus 2. We want to find a6 and a13. For a6 we have to substitute the value, n value is 6. So 5 into 6 by 6 plus 2. For n value here n. For in the question you compare with the given nth term. So a6, for instead of n you have to substitute 6. So 5 6 are 30, 6 plus 2 8. So cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel. 4 2s are 8, 15 2s are 30, 15 by 4. Next a13 we want to substitute. So n value is 13. 5 into 13 by 13 plus 2. So 5 into 13 is 65 by 15. So 5 table is possible. 3 times it is 13 times. 13 by 3. The second question is the given nth term you have to write. We want to find A4 and A11. N value is 4. So minus of 4 square minus 4. So that is minus of 4 square value 16 minus 4. For minus of 16 minus 4 is 12. So that is minus 12. Then 11 we have to n value is 11. Minus of 11 square minus 4. So that is minus of 11 square value 121 minus 4. That is minus of 117. That is equal to minus 117. Now fifth question. A8 and A15 whose nth term is an equal to n square minus 1 by n plus 3. N is even. Then n square by 2n plus 1, n is odd. N belongs to the natural number. So for two nth terms are given. For in these two, for which is suitable for that A8 and A15, we have to select. For 8 is a even. So an equal to the first one. For 15 is odd. Odd means we have to use this. So that is n square by 2n plus 1. An equal to n square minus by n plus 3. N is even. So we selected this. So A8, n value we have to substitute 8. 8 square minus 1 by 8 plus 3. That is 64 minus 1 by 11. So that is 63 by 11. For n is odd, we have to write the nth term n square by 2n plus 1. N equal to 15. That is 15 square by 2 into 15 plus 1. That is 225 by 30 plus 1. That is 225 plus 30 plus 1 is 31. 225 by 31. Cancelling is possible. We have to make cancel. Otherwise, just write it as a fraction number. Sixth question. If A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 1 and An equal to 2 An minus 1, 2 into An minus 1 plus An minus 2. N greater than or equal to 2. N belongs to N. Then find the first 6 terms of the sequences. For a A1 given, A2 given, A3 greater than 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. We have to use this nth term. Given A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 1, for write the nth term, An equal to 2 into An minus 1 plus An minus 2. For that is n greater than or equal to 3, n belongs to the natural number. For the first two terms already given, we want to find the third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. That is, third term means n value is 3. So you have to substitute n equal to 3. 2 into A 3 minus 1, A 3 minus 2. It is right at the, not at the power. It is in the base. So now 2 into 3 minus 2 into A, 3 minus 1 is 2, A2 plus A1. A2 value already given, that is 1, A1 value also 1. So 2 into 2 plus 1, it is 3. For A3 value is equal to 3. Now n4, fourth term we want to find, n equal to 4. So A4 equal to 2 into A4 minus 1 plus A4 minus 2. That is from this nth term. From the nth term we have to substitute. To the nth term we have to substitute. So 2A3 plus A2. 2A3 value already we found 3. 2 into 3 plus 1. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So next A4 is 7. Fifth term we want to find. So A5 equal to 2 into A5 minus 1 plus A5 minus 2. That is 2 A4 plus A3. So A4 value is 7. A3 value is 3. So 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 3 17. So A5 equal to 17. Next A6. That is A6, n value is 6. So 2 A6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that is 2 into A5 plus A4. A5 value we found 17. A4 value is 7. We have to take from the, compare with the previous steps. So 2 into 17, 34. 34 plus 7 is 41. So A6 equal to 41. A3 value is 3, A4 is 7, A5 is 17, A6 is 41. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 7, 17, 41, etc. Suppose they ask up to 8th term, you have to substitute n equal to 7 and n equal to 8. You follow the same rules.